How to fix your Pinterest feed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Pinterest feed on Android phone. First open Pinterest and now click on your account here and then click these 3 points and then click settings, and here just scroll down until you find this one, home feed, and click on it and click topics. And as you see here, you can manage your home feed topics. Just select anything you want and you can add topics if you want, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and it's easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.